Camp Nou is rising again. And this week, with no matches to slow things down, the transformation is moving at full speed. Fresh black finishes, new chrome installations, and massive glass panels are reshaping the stadium before our eyes. From structural beams to the diamond facade, every corner is beginning to reveal its new identity. Let's step inside and witness how Europe's most iconic stadium is evolving day by day. We begin in the Tribune area. The black wall painting is now fully completed. All 3 block walls in this section are entirely finished. New chrome tubes have arrived here. These are thinner compared to the wider ones near Gol Norte. They appear ready to be installed on the freshly painted black walls, where openings have already been prepared. Activity in the staircase area is currently light. A few lifting platforms are positioned near the structure, with workers operating on both sides. The central upper scaffolding area appears calm today, with no major movement visible. Significant progress has resumed at the diamond shop. Several large glass panels have now been installed at the front. Only the upper sections above the 2 main doors remain incomplete. A large number of glass panels are still stored nearby, ready for installation. Once completed, this storefront will look impressive. The height and size of the glass panels will create a stunning visual effect from a distance. Workers are tightening metal supports that connect the glass panel frames to the main black beams. Lifting platforms are actively assisting with these installations. This indicates steady progress toward completing the diamond's exterior facade. In the Gol Sur area, some beams that were previously white have now been painted black. Others are still waiting to be finished. Work continues around the prefabricated stairs leading to the 2nd level. The inner sections of certain staircases are now covered with protective sheets. Chrome circular fittings have been installed under the hollow core slabs. These will likely support the chrome tubes seen throughout the stadium. More tube supports appear prepared for installation in this section. There have been no major visible changes in the llama installations in this sector. However, a new red llama appears ready to be lifted into position for the false ceiling. More noticeable changes could happen later this week, especially in the corner sections. The scaffolding is prepared for the installation of the 3rd radial beam. The 3rd compression ring pillar has already been placed, and preparations for the 4th pillar are underway. This week could be crucial if the 3rd radial beam is finally lifted. Gol Norte shows strong activity. New materials, including chrome tubes, are arriving by trailer. Several lifting platforms are working on glass panel supports in the corner. However, sheet coverings seen in Gol Sur stairs are not yet installed here. Most access doors now have a gray structure installed above them. One door still has a provisional iron frame instead of the standard structure. Unions for llama supports have not yet been installed on the black beams in this section. Until that happens, llama installation cannot move forward here. Overall, the pace today feels steady but controlled. With no matches interrupting the schedule, this week could bring important structural developments. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next Camp Nou Progress Report.